gosh, I really hope my phone doesn't fall. Okay, so here's my game plan. I was originally doing color by color. So like, let me see if I can show you. Color by color. So I was doing a black triangle, then a red triangle, then a white triangle, and then I was connecting as I was going. But I decided that it would be best if I busted out all of the colors and then put them all together, so that it would be easier and faster, hopefully, that way. So I've already done 2 black square triangles, oh my gosh, and I need to do 3 more to be done with the blacks. And then there's 4 whites and 5 reds, I think. So yeah, but can you see what I mean by like the white section and then the black section? So the black is bordered by black, and then the white is bordered by white, and then the next one, as you can see, is going to be bordered by black. So that's how we're doing this. Okay, so basically, that was me doing 1 triangle, and I was using songs to measure how long it takes me to do each triangle, and let's see, about 20 minutes, no, 15 minutes. So it takes me about 15 minutes to do each triangle. I also wanted to explain that this is all single crochet, which I'm pretty sure is the longest stitch you can do. I don't know for sure because I haven't done anything else. Ow! But I'm also using acrylic, so it's a lot, like, kind of, I don't know, but I'm using single crochet, and I put tape over my index and my pinky so that I can crochet for longer without my fingers getting irritated. So wanted to explain that too, but that's it. So today's the day. So last night I finished all of my triangles for the next row, and I wasn't going to connect them until today, like put them all together until today, but I got too excited. So I've already put them all together, and now I just gotta connect it to the blanket. So that's what I'm gonna be videoing today. It's pretty self-explanatory because, like I said before, it's all single crochet. So it's pretty easy. All you just gotta do is connect them. So, but I use a size 10 J hook, but we're just gonna get right into it. Start with a slip knot, and then I'm gonna line it up so that it looks right. Okay, and then I'm just gonna crochet it all together. Okay, I finished connecting it, so now it looks like this. They're a little bit bumpy, which I'm not a big fan of, but not gonna worry about it. So it's turning into a blanket, which is super exciting. So the next thing I have to do is do 6 rows on this edge of black, and then do 6 rows of white, and then I can make more triangles. So we're getting there. We're getting there. I don't remember exactly how many rows I need to do, but okay, don't know how much later it is, but I finished, well, almost. I almost finished the next row of triangles, and you know, having the blanket displayed like this on my bed makes you really just look at it and be like, what the heck is happening? Because if you can see, I feel like it just gets like more scrunched as you go along. So like this one just pops out so far, at least when it's hanging up. So I tried to straighten out as best I could. I hate that I can't. Okay, I tried to straighten it out as best I could, and this is what it looks like. I kind of feel like it's like doing a triangle. Oh my gosh. But I mean, I can't really do anything about it now, right? Because like, you know, I don't know. But anyways. And then also, I ran out of red yarn. I've actually run out of yarn like twice. Not red yarn. This is the first time that I've gotten more red yarn. And I swear I got the right, I know I got the right brand, and I know I got acrylic, but I don't know for sure if it's like the right texture or something, because you see this one and like, hold on. You can't really see, but like compared to the old one, like this one's so soft and this one's just like more scratchy, and this one just kind of like looks poorly made. Like, and when I'm crocheting, it smells like ink. And so I feel like they just didn't rinse it all the way, so not all of the dye came out of this batch, but it just like, I don't know, can you see it? And it's like so soft and like, I don't know. And it hurts my heart that they're different, but I just gotta keep going, because what else am I supposed to do, you know? Go hunt down the freaking label that was on the last one and try to find it, and like, yeah, so we're dealing with what I got. But I just think that they didn't like, because there's like, I don't know if you can see this, but there's like parts that are like patchy, so I think they just didn't rinse out the dye all the way. So I think once I'm done with the blanket, I'm gonna wash it, which I really didn't want to do, but I'm gonna have to now because of this. It's stupid. But yeah, I have one more triangle left. So I tried a different method of connecting the triangles, because as I said, the last row I did just seemed like really squishy and bulky. And so I was watching a YouTube video of Jenna Phipps, and she was connecting them with the yarn needle and just like threading them through. And I think it's different when you have two pieces that are the same color, because when I did it, it looked tacky and like homemade, which obviously it always looks homemade, but I feel like it just like made it look kind of sloppy. So I just went back to single crochet, which takes up more yarn and just takes longer, and it's still bulky, but you know, that's just how it's gonna be. So yeah, but now all of the triangles are connected, so now I just gotta put the back on. The rest of this video is just gonna be like a repeat until I finish it. So yeah, but pretty dang excited. So let's do it. This, I put it on backwards. You can see the seams, but you can't see the seams in this. But it's okay because I realized that I put it on wrong anyways, because the reds are not supposed to be lining up, like the colors aren't supposed to be lining up like this. They're supposed to be like this, like switching off. So that's what I get to deal with when I get out of class. But I have to go to class now, so I'm not doing a thumbs up. I have it all laid out. I just barely finished taking it apart and putting it back together the right way. And I wanted to see how long it is. This from here to the end needs to be 72 inches. So let's find out how long this is. So that's 25. So this is 29 inches. I got a long ways to go. Oh my gosh, I thought I only had 2 more. You see this little gap? It's the same as this little gap. I don't know if you can see that, but basically what I did is I made like a half triangle kind of situation, just building off of the last row, and just kind of kept this side straight and this side curved, and then just connected it from there so it kind of looks like the triangle is just kind of like cut in half. So now I'm gonna do that again right here. And again, it's all single stitch. And you just haul. Okay, I'm just sitting here crocheting in my next row, and oh, you guys, I got new hooks, and I also got stitch markers. So the hooks that I was using before are my mom's, and I decided I wanted my own set, so I got my own. They're pretty nifty. And I also got stitch markers, which I think will be really helpful, especially because I want to make clothes in the future. So yeah. But anyways, that's not what I was talking about. So while I was sitting here, you know, like, I love crocheting a blanket because I can just like have it laying on me, and it's like so cozy and like soft and warm that I'm just like feel so warm and snuggly inside because of this blanket. So yeah, but anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, it's January now, so it's been like 3 or 4 months, maybe even more, since I made that blanket. I'm living in a different apartment now. My hair is short now. Ethan is now on his mission. I just turned in my mission papers, so it's been a roller coaster since I made that blanket, but I kind of wanted to explain a little bit about what I would change about that blanket. So I'm gonna put a little picture of the finished product right here just to explain some things. So this picture is actually not what the finished product looks like. When this picture was taken, I still had the ends to weave in, but you can see that one side of the blanket is like slanted and the other one is like neat. So I think when we get back from our missions, I'm gonna try to fix that somehow so that it doesn't look as weird. I'm also gonna make it bigger. I don't know how I would fix it. I haven't really given it that much thought, but I do want to fix it because it bugs me. But yeah, other than that, I think I would keep it the same, but I would also do slip stitches to connect all the triangles and all the things instead of single crochet, because I think that was one of my problems when I was connecting them. and it came out bulky was because I was using single crochet instead of slip stitching. So that probably the only thing I would change. I really liked the colors, and honestly I loved how it turned out. It's just those few little nitpicks that I would change about it. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.